Welcome. If you want to connect to the Wi-Fi network in your Nokia 8000 4G, at first you have to open the settings, open menu, and then we have to scroll down for settings. Right now we have to stay in the network and connectivity, and we have to go for the Wi-Fi, click select, and of course we have to leave Wi-Fi turned on, and then we have to go for the available networks. Right now our device is looking for available networks, and here we got the list of all networks that we can find around us, and I'm going to connect for Zenfone 7 Pro network. So click select, and then we have to input our password. So in my case my password is very common. Let me just remove this one. So there is my password. And there it is. When you go below, we can also show your password. And if you want to connect, you have to click here. Right now, just be patient and wait a little bit. And as you can see, right now, we are successfully connected. So for example, we are able to open YouTube. And as you can see, everything works. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.